Today I'm going to teach you how to change your site title in Squarespace. This is a simple yet essential customization that helps establish your brand identity and tells visitors exactly what your website is about. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready to access your Squarespace dashboard. After logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where you can see all the websites associated with your account. If you manage multiple sites, this is where you'll find them all listed. Simply click on the website where you want to change the site title. This will open up that specific site's management area. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen and you'll see an option that says Edit Site. Click on it and then click the Edit button that appears. This action takes you into the visual editor where you can make changes directly to your site's appearance and content. The next step is to locate your header section at the top of your page. Once you've found it, click on Edit Site Header. This opens up the header editing panel where you can customize various elements including your site title, logo, and navigation menu. Now put your cursor on your current site title and click it. You'll notice a pencil icon appears once you select the title. Go ahead and click that pencil icon to enter the editing mode. This is the tool that allows you to make direct changes to your site title text. In the site title field that appears, you can now change the text to whatever suits your website best. Take your time here to choose a title that accurately represents your brand, business, or personal website. Make sure it's clear, concise, and memorable for your visitors. Once you're satisfied with your new site title, click the Save button to apply your changes. This ensures that your new title is locked in and will be displayed across your site. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your site title in Squarespace, giving your website a fresh identity that better reflects your vision. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.